Welcome to Auckland, everyone. Local time is 10 to 10. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and also be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items can fall out. And it's now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. Now, when you have finished using the headphones and blankets to make it easier for everyone to disembark, please leave them on your seat. If you are connecting to another international flight, then please follow the signs for international transfers. And after security, please check the screens for details of your next flight and ensure you're at the departure gate 1 hour before your flight is due to depart. Just a reminder that Smart Gate is available for New Zealand, Australian, Canadian, US and British EU passport holders aged 12 years and over for self-process through passport control. For those of you connecting to a domestic flight, you must collect your baggage and clear customs here in Auckland first. If you've got more than 1 hour before your New Zealand flight departs, then follow the signs for domestic transfers and proceed directly to the bag drop area, which is outside to the right. If you've got less than 1 hour before your New Zealand domestic flight departs, you're travelling with a different airline, then go directly to the domestic terminal yourself. There's a free inter-terminal bus, which leaves from the front of the international terminal, or you can walk there in about 10 minutes. Just turn right and follow the green line. Well, on behalf of your crew team, we really enjoyed having you with us throughout the night. Thank you for choosing to fly with Air New Zealand on the Star Alliance network, along with our codeshare partners, especially Cathay Pacific. It's been a pleasure looking after you, and we do look forward to seeing you again next time you fly with us. In the meantime, have a great holiday, a welcome home, and we'd like to wish you a happy new year as well. Thank you.
各位女士、先生，早安，欢迎来到奥克兰。奥克兰当地时间为